What does the A say?
The A.
What does the A say, Mike Mike? Here, tell Mommy what the A says. What does the A say?
Ah.
What does the B say? What does the C say? What does the D say? What does the E say? What does the F say? What does the G say? What does the H say? What does the I say? Mama, what does the I say? Okay, Jabu. Mama, what does the J say? What does the K say? What does the L say? The L. What does the M say? What does the N say? What does the O say? Mama, what does the O say? What does the P say? What does the Q say? What does the R say? What does the S say? What does the S? What does the T say? What does the U say? What does the V say? What does the W say? What does the X say? What does the Y say? What does the Z say? Okay, Mike, Yay! Say bye-bye.